morning, my dear people, teachers of B.Ed second year. The subject is Pedagogy of English, paper 1213, paper code 9202. And today's topic is workbooks as important teaching aid. And we shall study this topic under these teaching points. What are workbooks or introduction of workbooks? Second, advantages of workbooks. And third, exercise on content and grammar. First point, introduction of workbooks or what are workbooks? Workbooks are used for solving extra problems and concept which students have already studied in their textbook. Workbooks hold an advantage. What is advantage? Advantage this, that these workbooks are very light, smaller and lighter, so they can take their home to solve the homework, which gives trouble. Textbooks are to complete the homework. Workbooks in the America education system are paperback textbooks used to issued the students. These are issued to the students. These are paperback, so they are still lighter. They have no much weight. Workbooks are filled with practice problems where the answers can be written in the text, in the books itself, in notebook itself. The answer is to be written. No need of extra paper or no need of any copy is needed to do the exercise. Because in textbooks there are blank spaces in which the students have to write their answer in this book itself, workbook itself. So no extra thing is needed. Only he has to open the book and see the question, understand the question and start answering in the same book. This is the quality of the text workbooks. And now what are the advantages of workbook? क्या फायदे हैं वर्कबुक? सबने देखी है वर्कबुक है, छोटी क्लास के अंदर, ये प्राइमरी क्लास में, मिडिल क्लास के अंदर ये बहुत ही उपयोगी होती है. They are for practicing, they are for giving exercises which the students have already learnt in their textbook. These things are there for the practicing, drilling, to revise it, to make it fix in the mind of the student. These are very useful for primary school or middle school, means up to 8th class. They are very useful because to make this understand clearly the content as well as the grammar concept. And students, they are favored because students can work directly in their books. And they are much favored by the students because the students have to answer directly in the workbooks without the need of extra pages or workbooks usually cover important concepts and tasks related to the syllabus. Whatever points are included in syllabus, they are there in the workbooks to make exercise and make it clear with the practice. Workbooks are used for solving extra problems and concepts which students have already studied from textbook. In textbook there are limited questions, but in workbook there are given in a lot number. So somebody has rightly said that textbook is a supplementary to the textbook. Somebody has rightly said that workbooks are the supplementary aid for the textbook. The term workbook is also used to describe other compilation of questions. This workbook is also used in other term also. That is the compilation of questions that require the reader to complete scratch work when dealing with higher level mathematics. There also this workbook is used. It can also be used as training tool for certain position. For training also these workbooks are the tools for the trainees to do the practice work. More recently, electronic workbooks have permitted interactive and customized learning. They are also in use. Now, third point, exercise of content and grammar. Workbooks are also helpful to do the exercise on the content of the chapter and exercise and grammar item also practice in the workbooks. Workbooks are very important to practice and to do exercise. These are especially for exercising, for repeating work, so that the taught point should be clear in the young learner's mind. Content and grammar. In a workbook, a lot of exercise are given on every content points. In the textbook, whatever content point is there, they are given there in the workbooks to do the exercise. And grammar, example, tense, preposition, conjunction, direct, indirect, active, passive, they are also given for exercise. The students can do themselves and the teacher will check them so that their mistake will be corrected then and there. In this way, these workbooks are also helpful in teaching learning process in English, and somebody has rightly said that workbooks are the supplementary aid for the textbooks. Now there are some questions. What are workbooks? Introductory video. Answer are to be done in it themselves. There is no need of copy, and they are full of exercises, practice work. Second, what are advantages of using workbook in English? And third questions, workbooks are supplementary aids to textbook. Explain. इस कथन को समझाइए कि किस प्रकार से वर्कबुक टेक्स्ट बुक के लिए सहायक है, सप्लीमेंट्री यानी पूरक है, यानी इसके बिना टेक्स्ट बुक अधूरी है. इस बात को समझाओ. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे माय डियर पीपल टीचर्स.